Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy F05. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, choose whatever you want to and click on your device's displays. Then select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick multiple files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect, by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and tap on Receive button. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!